My name is Anca Marola, and I'm Clienteling and Data Director at LVMH Global Headquarters. My role is to accompany Maisons in their customer relationship strategy, as well as their data and artificial intelligence transformation. I entered LVMH 8 years ago, working at Louis Vuitton in CRM department, and then started at LVMH as Digital Analytics Manager, and very quickly we advanced on exciting topics such as artificial intelligence. What is data and artificial intelligence? Are you using Google Search, Alexa, or watching Netflix? Then you are already using artificial intelligence in your daily life. In this class, we will learn what is data and artificial intelligence, and also its concrete applications for a retail business such as LVMH. First thing first, what do we mean by data? In an environment like LVMH, we have a multitude of types of data that we can use, such as customer transactions, product attributes, sales, users and cookies behavior, social media and images, conversations, customer service center conversations, and so on. In the last 2 years alone, 90% of the world's data has been created. This is due to the emergence of the internet and especially of the mobile phone, which allows us to connect anytime, anywhere, and therefore we generate new data with our interactions. Connected objects such as connected TAG Heuer watch or our smart home appliances also contribute to this. Artificial intelligence emerged as an answer to be able to analyze these massive amounts of data. This is what we call big data, and their variety, structured like transactions. As an example of this is Amazon book recommendations, and unstructured like pictures and conversations. This is what Google Images Search, for example, is employing, or Alexa. Artificial intelligence is a sub-branch of computer science, and it refers to simulating the human intelligence in machines, such as learning, reasoning, and perceiving. The machines use a mix of mathematics, computer science, linguistics, psychology, and more in order to be effective. A subset of artificial intelligence is machine learning, which refers to the concept that computer programs can automatically learn from and adapt to new data without being assisted by humans. Deep learning techniques enable this automatic learning through the absorption of huge amounts of data that is unstructured, such as text, images, or video. Now that we know what data and AI mean, let's learn about its concrete applications for retail. Data and artificial intelligence in retail serve multiple objectives. 1, personalizing the customer experience. 2, optimizing the retail space. And 3, automating tasks to improve customer satisfaction. First of all, personalizing the customer experience means that we can predict and anticipate the right moment to talk to each of our customers and propose the most relevant communication to his current needs and interests. So, for example, on our Fendi e-commerce website, you would see a product recommendation that is very tailored to your personal taste. When you call the Dior customer service center, the client advisors will know what future products you might like and are able to engage in a more meaningful conversations with you. Second, optimizing the retail space refers to our physical stores. For example, identifying the right offer of products for each cluster of stores, depending on the customer profile that shops in that area, so that we can be more relevant for our customers. Or we have tools in stores, for example, that detect how groups of customers move and browse in the stores that allows us to improve the merchandising. Store opening hours optimization is also a use case. Third, automating tasks to improve customer satisfaction refers to use cases such as virtual advisors, chatbots, that allow customers to ask their questions when shopping. Another example is automatically detecting the tone of voice in a customer service center incoming email that allows us to automatically detect the most dissatisfied customers and help us prioritize those requests to solve their problems faster.